Today we'll go over how to install Torklift camper tie downs part number C2220 on a Chevy or GMC 25 or 3500 truck. These tie downs bolt directly to your truck's frame, creating the strongest mounting option possible for your slide-in camper. Made in the USA with a lifetime warranty, these tie downs are powder coated and built to last. If you find this video helpful, please consider giving it a like and subscribing for any future installs. To start, insert the coiled end of the bolt fisher through the small hole on the underside of the spring perch and out the side. Place a square bolt onto the bolt fisher and string it through. Locate the oval hole between the two mounts and the circular hole just to the front of the cab mount. Insert the coiled end of the bolt fisher first through the oval hole and then out the circular hole. Attach the 1/2-inch bolt, star washer, and plate washer to the coiled end of the fisher. Feed the hardware through the frame and out the oval hole. Next, locate the driver's side front bed crossmember perch and remove the factory bolt. Then, put your tie down in place, lining up the top holes and reinstalling the factory bolt. Attach a washer, lock washer, and nut onto the bolt protruding from the frame, securing the tie down to the frame. Next, grab your spring perch plate and place the side with 2 holes against the frame and through the square bolt from earlier. Secure the bolt with a washer, lock washer, and nut. Place a bolt through the spring perch plate and the tie down, securing it with a washer, lock washer, and nut. Torque down all the hardware. Lastly, repeat the process on the passenger side. When you're ready to use your tie downs, slide an insert into the receiver and secure it with the provided pin. Your tie down installation is now complete.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.